Welcome to Gelderd Road, Birstall, a truly stylish 3-bed semi-detached loft conversion with full building planning approval. A really stunning home. Please allow us to show you around. As you can see, a big added bonus to this property, detached garage, which can fit a car in and also store any materials you need. A proper added bonus. Thank you for viewing. Absolutely magnificent. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, give us a call 01924 692240 or email us hello@trustsl.co.uk.